everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, January 28th, 2022, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. So, I am not gonna lie, it has been a crazy week. Just work, some volunteer stuff, some appointments. I feel like I haven't had any time to really just chill. It's been just crazy and hectic and overwhelming at times. So when I got this in the mail yesterday, I was so excited and I want to show you all what it is. All right, so this gigantic box is from Insta360. So if you read the descriptions in my videos, I mentioned that the Insta360 Go-To is my little action cam, and I use that to get shots from above. I put it on a big selfie stick and use it to get those sort of almost drone-like videos. But I've been very interested in their 360 cam. So, and I will also mention that when I purchased this, I did get one item for free, and then I purchased actually two other items, two accessories. So let's go see what it is. Okay. Which side to open? My dad says every household should have one of these little knives. Okay. Item number one. Oops. Item number two. Item number three. Item number four. Just wanted to check to see if they hadn't thrown in a few extra gifts or anything. You never know. Wishful thinking, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna save the best for last because I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, what a way to end the week. Thank you, me from 2 weeks ago for ordering all this. Okay, so what do I have here? Well, this is just I think a regular selfie stick. This was the free item with purchase. And I do have some affiliate links for Insta360 Go. I'll put those below. And I think if you use my links, you can get some bonus goodies also if you order. Okay, so just a extendable selfie stick. Pretty cool. The handle has some like texture on it, so easy to hold. So always useful, always handy. The other stick that I use is a tripod on the bottom, so it's kind of multi-purpose in that sense. And I'll just mention this also. So with the 360 cameras from Insta360, if you use it on a selfie stick, the selfie stick is actually invisible in the footage, so that's like super duper cool. I was really excited about that. So that's item number one. Item number two is, where's my knife? Is the same, I believe, but much longer. Actually, here. I believe it is, yes, it's 3 meters long. So, probably not gonna extend it. I don't think it'll fit in on the screen. So, wow, okay. All right, so just some basic warnings. Don't use it near power lines. Don't put really heavy things on it. I'm not putting my real camera on this stick. Should be pretty clear. It's pretty hefty though. Like, this is like a normal selfie stick and like, dang. But I think I've seen videos of people just like flinging it open, although I don't know that I want to do that with the camera on the end. And it also says, I am not to shake the selfie stick violently in the vertical direction. So, probably just use it the regular way, but this is just absurd. Oh my god. Okay, so it's pretty, I'm sure it's out of your screen right now, but it's massive. But super cool. I can't wait to use it. So I'm excited for this. And this one is also invisible with 360 camera. So that will be super duper cool. Okay, so item number 3 is, how do I open this? Trusty knife. Okay, so this item comes with some parts, so I'll have to see where it all goes. Thought it would be pretty straightforward, but I guess there's a little more to it. But this is just a little suction cup mat for my new camera, and I think my go-to will fit on it also, potentially. I don't know, I must read the instructions. Anyway, I just wanted to get this mainly just for like a dash cam, or some of the other examples were like on the side of a car window, or on the hood of a car. So basically affixing it to my car, but I think I'm probably just gonna use it as a dash cam. And the cool thing about the 360 camera is that it can record everyone inside the car and also outside the car windshield. So I thought that'd be pretty cool. So there's that. Okay, now for the good stuff. My Insta360 One R2. So as I mentioned, this is a 360 camera. So from how I understand it, if I just hold this camera up, it records everything around it. And then in post-production, I can go in and be like, oh, follow this person or this subject, and it'll follow it throughout the video. Or I can zoom all the way out and it's hard to explain, but make the world round. Okay, I'm not explaining this very well, but there are some really cool features about it. And what I think is super cool is just that in post-production, I can just decide what I want to focus on. And if I'm not, let's say I'm just holding out, let's say my Insta360 Go too. If I'm just holding it out, if I'm not centered in the frame, I can't fix that. It is what it is, right? But this, you can do that all in post. And I believe it films in 4K also, which is pretty cool. I'm new to video, so specs, it's 5.7K 360-degree capture. So, and I know for my go-to that the stabilization is actually really good. So, but yeah, I'm new to videos and video specs. So, learning. All right, are we ready? Suspense. Come on. Come on. Okay, there it is. I'm so excited. Okay. This is it. Okay, so the screen is right here. And I guess the cameras are just here. And somehow it makes a sphere of video. So it's kind of cool. The lenses are conical shaped. They're shaped like little cones on each side. So I guess that's how that works. I have an accessory bag in here. Charging cable. I think it's called USB BC, like the, almost like the, I don't know how to describe it. Anyway, pretty common plug. And this is just a little pouch. Little neoprene kind of pouch that this presumably fits into. Cool. All right, what else is in my accessory bag? All right, little cleaning cloth, always handy. Some stickers, just in case. Some info stuff. Oh, also, now that I see it here, it's also waterproof, which is super cool. I don't really live near any bodies of water that I would want to swim in, nor am I a great swimmer or an avid swimmer, but if and when I go on a tropical holiday, now I've got a camera for it. I think actually the go-to is also waterproof, but yeah, I guess depends on the situation. Okay, I don't know how to put all this away. All right, everybody, so these are my goodies for today, my little end of week treat. And I have something really fun planned tomorrow night. So I'm going to learn how to use this and I'm gonna try it out tomorrow. So hopefully I'll have some really cool video to show you guys. And until then, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Please leave a comment. If you have anything to say, if you have any suggestions, any tutorials on this that you'd like me to see or that I should watch, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. See you all tomorrow.